The Stash Launcher is a native desktop app for Windows and macOS that can adapt to suit each developer and game no matter their requirements. The Stash Launcher supports incremental patching for quick updates to your players, delivery segmentation to target different player cohorts, and enables you to sell in-game items directly from your game. The launcher itself can be silently updated to ensure every player gets the best experience. Here's how to release your game with the Stash Launcher. Manage releases and assign them into channels on Stash Studio, or automate the release process by integrating Stash's CLI tooling with your CI/CD release pipeline. Stash allows you to split releases into channels and deliver them to players either publicly or privately using limited access codes. All releases are automatically code-signed, built in the cloud, and ready to be distributed in just a couple of minutes. If you want to take your integration even further, you can optionally choose to implement the Stash SDK to enable seamless communication between your game client and the Stash Launcher. The SDK facilitates secure player authentication, manages transactions and processes in-game purchases, and offers engagement features like social systems and content hubs. That's it, you're all integrated. The next step is designing your launcher, either as a bespoke service we offer our customers or via our platform, Stash Studio. Get in touch to learn more or explore our documentation.